next thing we're going to add for a little bit of flavor is green onions.
Mom always said eat your vegetables, but she never said we had to use boring old recipes to cook them. Whitney Danhoff is a UT Extension agent for Family and Consumer Sciences in Bedford County. Today, we're enrolled in her culinary cooking class, part of Extension's School of Gourmet Arts, an excursion into fresh, seasonal produce.
We like to teach a lot of techniques. We like to teach maybe ingredients that they're not familiar with. So we do appetizers, we do desserts, we do main dishes. We do all kinds of different ways to use what is in season for that month.
Whitney's veggie du jour is asparagus. Now, we could just steam or saute these green stalks, but what fun would that be? Instead, Whitney shows how to make asparagus crescent rolls, carefully wrapping each with dough, and then cheese, bacon, and onions are also added. Off those go to the oven.
We try to dress it up in different ways and make it unique, make it flavorful, combine it with familiar flavors sometimes.
Everyone knows fresh vegetables are good for us, but sometimes we don't always eat the most healthful foods. You know how you get your kids to eat their broccoli by dressing it up with cheese? Well, the same principle sort of applies to adults.
One thing that I really love is adding grains to salads.
Whitney also uses asparagus as the main ingredient in a sweet-tasting Asian wild rice salad. This is not exactly pop it in the microwave and hit a button easy. The word gourmet is in the title of the class for a reason. In this same class, she also makes Dijon chicken with asparagus. The main idea is to get creative, eat healthy, and gain a sense of accomplishment in making a dish like this.
I am getting new ideas, and that's the whole reason for coming, is the new ideas. With older beans and cornbread, let's spiff it up a little bit.
By the end of the session, the in-class assignment is to dispose of all this food. And perhaps the ultimate thumbs up for these recipes, one lady's husband asked her, "Can you make this again?" This is Chuck Denny reporting.